For a while, I've been thinking about different ways on how to get a better direct signal with an acoustic guitar. So, I've thought about different preamp options, like different acoustic guitar preamp options, or things like the JHS color box, but I just couldn't get myself to spend the money on something like the color box. So I've been messing around with this. So I've got, it's just one of the pedals that I have. Um, it's the JHS Double Barrel. And I've been digging the results that I've been getting using this method. So anyway, so I'm using the color, or the Double Barrel Morning Glory side, and plugging direct in, then out into the interface. I'm using an Apogee Duet interface. Yeah, so I'm using the Double Barrel as a preamp basically, and then I'm fine tuning the rest of the sound with plugins. Just trying to get like a nice saturated, a more dimensional sound instead of just like plugging direct in to my Apogee preamps and getting that sterile digital sound. Like I just wanted something that has a little bit more character, like something a little bit more inspiring to play to. You know, I just really feel like to get the best take, you know, the sound has to be right at the source. That's my opinion. So I'm going to show you what I've been working with, and I hope you like it. All right. All right, so let's jump into this. So yeah, I've been kind of frustrated with just getting, you know, sterile digital straight into my digital, digital preamp. You're just getting that super clean sound, and just kind of wanting something with a little bit more character, a little bit more dimension. And I've looked at different options like the JHS color box, or just different, you know, preamp type pedals. To just kind of get, you know, that analog channel strip sound or whatever. And I just figured, like, I've got, I don't know, 11, 12 pedals laying around here. And, you know, if I can get more use out of those, you know, they're great studio tools as well. So I was experimenting with this JHS Double Barrel in the Morning Glory side, to be specific. And I'm pretty happy with the outcome. So yeah, let's get into it. Here is the clean sound, no preamp or no pedal, just direct in. It sounds nice. But I just want something else. I want some color. So, anyway, let's flick that on. So I'll start from scratch here. So yeah, add a little bit of dirt. Brighten it up a bit. Yeah, so that. So I like that for a starting point. And now I'm gonna go into some plugins here. So I've got this compressor brought up. Yeah. Anyway, I kind of already had it adjusted the way I wanted it. You know, obviously, you're going to want to do things specific to what your needs are. I think what I'm doing here is going to help cut through a multi-instrument, you know. All right, so anyway, let's start from scratch in here. Sorry, guys. Anyway, so yeah, I like boosting right around in here. Give me a little bit more spank. I'm going to cut some of the boxiness out. Oh yeah, I'm liking that actually a lot. Give it some roundness. I think I already cut, yeah, so. Oh yeah, make it come through the speaks. See how that jumps out of the speakers a little bit? Makes it present in the room. Oh yeah. So, alright, so yeah. So next I'm going to go to my sends. And I've got a little bit of echo going on here. A little bit of retro. Give it a little bit of retro vibe. And then I've got a Hall. Yeah, small guitar Hall. Plug-in pulled up. And that's brought into taste. Yeah. Actually have to bring that down a little bit. Yeah, so oops, looks like I'm getting a low battery. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this little bit here that I've been experimenting with. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Like, subscribe. Yeah, I think it'd be cool to have a channel just dedicated to experimenting with what you got. And, you know, us home studio owners, just, you know, just getting more out of the gear that you already own, you know. So if you guys are interested in that idea, let me know. This has been fun. Just a short little simple video to get things going. So hope you enjoy. Peace.